Okay, in this video today we're talking about step 3 in the 4-step intuitive eating methodology. And let's just do a quick recap on the first two. First was to allow. I now allow myself to eat anything I want. Number 2 was to ask your body what it truly feels like eating, so you're connecting mind and the body together without letting your head run away with it. And the number 3 is affirm. And here's where we're talking about honoring your body. I choose to honor my body. This to me is the hardest part for many people, and the part that probably takes the longest, because this is about internal work. It's about the inner beliefs. It's what you believe about yourself. It's how you value yourself. And the choices we make are really based on how we value our body. This is the one body you get in this lifetime. There's no trade-ins. This is it. And what you choose and how you choose to treat your body is incredibly imperative to your health and your longevity. So honoring your body, choosing to value and honor it, is probably the greatest gift that you can give yourself. Now, the beauty about this particular aspect of the intuitive eating process is this is the part that flows into every other aspect of your life. It's like this last frontier we're crossing, where what you choose to eat to honor your value in your worth then falls into every other aspect of your life. Because if you are limiting your choices based on what you believe about yourself, whether you are doubting yourself, not valuing yourself, the imposter syndrome, what you believe you're worthy of having in your life, then you're not going to make those choices based on what's great for your body. So the third aspect of the 4-step methodology is affirming your value and your worth. And it's right in here that the inner work needs to be done, and it's done over a period of time, where we peel back those layers that have got you to this point. So just have a look, click on the link below if you want to have a chat with me about that, or comment. Let me know what you think is some of your choices you're making based on your worth and your value, or lack of it. Talk soon.